addition and subtraction exercises on my beautiful pocket hand abacus, episode number 2, and we are going to do these exercises on your screen under 9. So we have to use these 5 bits. Okay, so in this episode I'm not going to teach you, or I'm not going to explain any techniques. You have to watch another episodes for that, and in this episode I'm going to do only exercises. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1 is on your screen. So make 0 position first. So this is my marked rod. I'm starting from this rod because I don't have sufficient rods here. That is why I'm starting with this end of the rods. Okay, so let's start. And here I have to say, do not comment on my English language because I am not perfect enough. I am trying to improve my English language. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. Place 3, place 1, place 5, minus 2, minus 5, and your answer is 2. While beads are touching this rod, this middle rod, it is counted. Okay, so make 0 position. Question number 2. Place 3, place 5, minus 2, place 3, minus 5, and your answer is 4. Make 0 position. Be careful about the finger process. Okay, please watch introduction episode about the basic techniques or basic rules of the abacus. Question number 3 is on your screen. Place 3, place 1, minus 3, place 5, minus 5, and your answer is 1. Question number 4. Place 3, place 1, place 5, minus 5, place 5, and your answer is this 5, and downside 4 bits is all counted, and your answer is 9. Make 0 position. Question number 5. Place 3, place 5, minus 1, minus 5, place 2, and your answer is 4. Question number 6. Place 4, place 5, minus 3, place 2, minus 5, and your answer is 3. Question number 7. Place 4, minus 2, place 5, minus 5, place 1, and your answer is 3. Question number 8. Place 4, place 5, minus 2, place 1, minus 5, and your answer is 3. Question number 9. Place 4, minus 1, place 5, minus 2, minus 5, and your answer is 1. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please follow my Facebook page for the contents and for question answer and for message, for comment, anything you want to do. And keep watching. See you in the next video. Ta-ta!